Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by turning on the system history so Android records incoming alerts. Open Settings, go to Notifications, then Notification History and flip it on. This creates a running log you can open later. If your device lacks that feature, install a reputable notification logger and grant notification access when prompted. Do this now so future notifications are captured. Why it matters. Without recording enabled, you cannot retrieve past notices, so make sure the permission is granted and the service is active before continuing. Once history is active, open the Notification History panel to scan recent entries. Entries show the app, timestamp, and a preview. Use the search box or filter by app to zero in on a message quickly. This helps when you know the sender but not the time. If you use a third-party logger, open that app, confirm it has notification access and background permission, then review its organized feed and export options. Make sure to disable battery restrictions so the logger keeps capturing notifications reliably. To retrieve a specific message, tap its log entry to expand full content. From there, you can copy text, tap links, or open the originating app to act on the notification. If you need a record, export logs or take screenshots for backup. If notifications aren't appearing, verify the logger has notification access and isn't restricted by battery optimizations, and restart the phone. This single troubleshooting step resolves most capture issues. If problems persist, reinstall the logger or try an alternate trusted app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.